What's up, guys? So we got another build for you. This one's a little bit different. It is a 2018 Silverado 1500, but this one's gonna be a little bit more purpose built. Our client Brandon is an avid mountain biker and just wants to be able to get to some hard to reach spots that his stock Silverado can't quite get to. So we're hooking it up with a 4.5-inch lift, some 33-inch all-terrains, and some positive offset wheels. And by I mean we, I mean Brent, because Jordan and I have a real important meeting to get to.